Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I will talk about how you can reduce your body size in just 1 week, and that too with a guarantee. There are 5 things you need to focus on for fat loss. I will share some excellent strategies with you that are highly effective and will definitely benefit you. First of all, there is the technique of intermittent fasting. Its importance is very high because every time you eat something, your insulin levels rise. Insulin is the thing that decides whether your weight will decrease or not and whether your body fat will melt or not. If insulin remains high, it becomes difficult to lose weight. I advise you to eat only 2 times a day. Do not eat your first meal or breakfast immediately after waking up. Stretch it a bit longer. For example, if I give my own example, I wake up around 5:30 a.m. or maximum by 6 a.m. But I have my breakfast at 10:30 a.m. and your second and last meal of the day should be eaten before evening, ideally before 5 p.m. because we must not allow insulin to rise. In your meals, focus more on protein and vegetables and try to cook the meat with its natural fats included. Because in order to melt the fat stored in your body, you need vegetables. Then if you add a little bit of fat along with it, it will help you stay full for longer. Without fat, it will be difficult, and I always talk about healthy fats. It will keep you feeling full for a longer time. In the beginning, do not worry about calories. Just start the process and let your body get used to it first. Because our main target is insulin, we want to keep insulin levels low. So this is an excellent combination: protein, vegetables, and a little bit of fat. And remember, no snacks in between 2 meals. You have to take only 2 meals in a day, nothing in between. Secondly, getting proper sleep is extremely important. Most of your body fats melt when you are in a deep sleep. If you are only sleeping 5 or 6 hours, that is not enough. You need at least 8 hours of sleep. If you want to take a small nap during the day, that is fine too. But your total sleep goal must be 8 hours in 24 hours. The next thing we are going to talk about is stress. If you are stressed out, it will block your weight loss because due to stress, a hormone is released in the body. This hormone is called cortisol and it does not allow fat to melt. To deal with this, you can do a very effective thing. Make a list of things that give you stress. Write them down. You might be surprised to see that most of the things are related to other people. So stay away from those people for at least 1 week and you will notice that during this time, your weight will start to drop because meeting people who continuously give you stress will never be helpful for your weight loss journey. I would also advise that for 1 week, stop watching the news because news increases stress too. Instead, watch some comedy or read a book so that it does not disturb your sleep. You can also go for a walk. This also helps reduce stress. Walking is very beneficial. It's very important to take out some time for yourself. In this way, you will be able to handle stress better. There are many other things too, like spending time on your hobbies, practicing meditation and yoga, spending time with good and positive people, and sleeping more. All these things also help greatly in reducing stress. Now let's talk about exercise. For exercise, you should do high intensity interval training. This means doing exercise where you engage your entire body, and during the workout for short periods of time, you should push the intensity to the maximum level. For example, if you are on a treadmill, start with a normal walking speed. Then run at least fast pace for 30 to 40 seconds. Your heart rate should be between 130 to 150 bpm during this sprint. After that, slow down to normal walking speed and continue for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then again do a 30 to 40 second sprint. Keep repeating this cycle. Similarly, you can do cycling, swimming, or any exercise you like. Just make sure it involves your full body, both your upper body and lower body. If time is a problem and you are very busy, then doing this every 2 days also will be fine. Now let's talk about nutrition. Iodine-rich foods are very beneficial because they activate your thyroid gland, which boosts your metabolism, helping you lose weight faster. Some excellent food for this are eggs, especially the yolk part, yogurt, fish, coconut oil, and almonds. All these foods support the thyroid and increase metabolism. You might have often heard the word metabolism. Let's understand it a little bit. Metabolism is the process by which your body converts food into energy. People who struggle to lose weight usually have a slow metabolism. This means their bodies cannot efficiently convert food into energy and they are not fully absorbing the nutrients from their food. This is an important point you should always remember. Next comes potassium supplements. You can take potassium from any good brand, but the best option is potassium citrate. When your body is burning fat, especially if you are following a keto diet, your body tends to lose some potassium. That's why potassium is very important. You can also get it from vegetables, which will help you provide with the necessary carbohydrates. Potassium reduces the body's dependency on insulin and lowers the body's need for insulin as well. It also improves sleep, prevents kidney stones, relaxes your muscles, and boosts your energy. I know that normally eating a lot of vegetables is difficult for most people. Ideally, to meet your daily potassium needs, you should eat around 500 to 700 grams of vegetables every day, but realistically, most people are not able to do so. And it's not necessary to eat only raw vegetables at all. You can also lightly cook them and then consume. You can also use a little bit oil or clarified butter so that the calories don't increase much and taste also enhances. For the short time, you can increase your potassium intake through supplements as well. Next is B vitamins. Help control stress, reduce overthinking, and relieve the stress placed on your adrenal glands. Your adrenal glands get overworked and tired because of stress. Vitamin B helps in balancing things out in your body. So that's it. Now you should start your weight loss, as it is not that much difficult as we think it is. I hope this video will be beneficial for you. Take care of yourself and your loved ones as well. I will see you in the next video related weight loss. Allah Hafiz.